Kenny got ball. Kenny got ball.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be a protective style tutorial, but before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to do this very quick and easy protective style using the normal passion twist braiding hair. And the great thing about today's tutorial is that it's a collab with my amazing friend here on YouTube. Her channel name is ChidelovesYou. She does amazing stuff on her channel. She has sewing tutorials, she has children hairstyles, she has natural hairstyles. Please definitely check her out. I'm telling you, you're not going to regret it. I'm going to put her link in the description box below. So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to make this very beautiful twist. It's a jumbo twist, it's short, it's everything that I like, you know. So I've actually used the passion twist before to make like a long passion twist, but this time I decided to use it to make a short chunky twist like so. So you can never get wrong having one of those passion twists in your house. I'm telling you, they will definitely come in handy. And I believe it's not more than 4 or 5 packs of passion twist that I used to achieve this style. I think I bought it from Amazon that I used to achieve this style. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a protective style. It's great for this weather, and if you just do it, you can keep it for like weeks, you know, and you don't have to bother yourself or bother about what to do on your hair. So without blabbing too much, let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys, so first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my hair cream, and then after that I'm gonna go ahead and comb my hair. So now I'm gonna go ahead and begin with my braiding pattern. So now I'm done with my braiding pattern. So I've pre-twisted my twist. I decided to take the string, as you guys can see, that I used before when I was doing the spring twist, a very long spring twist. So I decided to cut it into 4 equal parts, and that's what I'm going to use to make my twist. So this is what it looks like. And then right here, I'm going to start crocheting it to my hair. So now I'm done with the twist. I'm just going to go ahead and lay my edges. And then brush it and tie a scarf on it. And yes guys, this is the final look. You guys can see it's absolutely beautiful. I'm really loving this twist, and that's what it's going to be for now. Thank you all so much for watching, and please don't forget to check out ChidelovesYou's channel. Like, subscribe and share as well, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.